Once upon a time, nestled deep within an enchanted forest, there was a magical waterfall. This waterfall wasn't like any ordinary cascade of water. It sang lullabies with each drop, creating a symphony that soothed all who heard it. In this forest lived a gentle deer named Lila. She was graceful and kind, with eyes that shimmered like stars. Every day, Lila would visit the waterfall to listen to its calming music and take a sip of its crystal clear water. One day, as the sun was setting, casting a golden hue over the forest, Lila noticed a small, shimmering light near the waterfall. As she approached, she found a tiny, delicate dragonfly named Zephyr. Zephyr had lost his way while exploring the forest. His wings, usually vibrant and strong, now drooped with fatigue.